regarding the Hindutva in a CET exam. Yesterday also, the physics exam in the Kormangala college. There are 13 the student remove the Janvara. The Hindu culture, it is a Hindu culture. It's not now. So many years, more than 1,000, 2,000 years, they are wearing the Janvara. It is the traditional Janvara, Shivdara, Udadara. These are our traditional. Vakaligas doing Udadara. Veerashaivas, they are wearing the Shivdara. So what is this? The government, shame to this government. It's a shame to this government. The minister also. So it's not, I know the Siddaramaiah is anti to Hindutva. He's anti. Regularly he is showing his face, Hindutva Virodhi face. But what about the student? He's crying. I telephoned two parents and a student. They are crying because the traditional. We have some traditional. I have.
Do you think it's an intentional one, sir?
Yeah, I think they thought we do this, Siddaramaiah will support us. That is the main thing. That's why they are doing. So I demand police up to now, they are not registered case against them. They are not arrested up to now. So Tejasvi Surya called me in 1 hour back. So I telephoned DG Salim and Commissioner. After this, they are calling. The police inspector calling. I will register the case. Please come, that. Up to 3 hours they are waiting at Kormangala police station. There is no reaction. This is the government stand. Shame. They are sitting in the position. It's not a permanent, another 2 years. So I think the government, failure of this government.
What is the action you are demanding now, sir?
Now, immediately they have to arrest. Immediately they have to arrest. The 3 members is there. Entire 3 members they have to arrest and put him in the jail. Then only. Otherwise it will be repeat. This is the second time in Karnataka. Third time in Karnataka. Simultaneously is repeating. This is the intention, I think, government intention. I think I demand the police commissioner immediately arrest. Don't drag on. Immediately action, arrest. That is